Another speaker was Shalini Bhasin. She told the audience that Indian migrants bring a lot to Australia, a growth mindset and a rich culture. Shalini spoke on the topic of being a skilled migrant and the proper way to migrate to Australia. I spoke with her after the event.
The picture I got from you was that you feel that there are issues about the size or the rate of migration that can be legitimately questioned, and that you also, as someone who's been in Australia for 20 years, that you feel that that's a legitimate discussion to have. Am I reading you correctly or not?
Absolutely. I think Australia needs, especially because we are living in the times where we've seen what has happened in Europe. We've also seen, but we have to note that what is happening in UK or France or Germany, it's a different scenario than Australia, because we are like an island country. We don't have that problem like them. And they are bigger countries than us as well. So there's a lot of fear amongst people because of what is happening in Europe. And I had highlighted that previously as well, that, we need to prepare in advance because we do have a time. Because we are seeing some radical elements which are coming into our community. Nobody's talking about it. Freedom of speech is really, really compromised. And it's very important that we study the history, we study the cultures of those who come to the country. Because to assume that everybody is fair and square is it can be very dangerous in long run. So we have to see what goes wrong. So that's where I see India as an example, because it had a problem and then it suffered. It suffered immensely because of some of the mistakes they did. So I don't want Australia to suffer because of that.
So migrants to Australia, the same as Australian-born citizens, want stability and safety.
Absolutely. We all want safety, and because we're all invested here. My child is here, my grandchild is here, probably my great-grandchild is here. Which country would I want it to be the best? I want Australia to be the best, and it burns me, it really burns me when I say, when I see people, disrespecting our flag. It hurts me a lot. And these are some of the fundamental questions we all have to, I think, bring to the surface in discussion. But it has to be a fair and square discussion wherein everybody is included, and it's not one segment of the society that sees the other segment of the society as separate. We need to see that whosoever lives in the country is an Australian, and whosoever is willing to stand for the country is a true Australian.
There were a range of different views here tonight, different tones or mood in the room. How do you feel about this particular event, this Voting Matters event? How do you feel it went from your perspective?
I think it was a wonderful event.